What up, folks? It's your boy AB. Now check this out. Today we're gonna be diving into one of my all-time favorite comfort foods, smothered chicken. Now listen, we all love tender, juicy chicken wrapped up in rich, flavorful gravy, right? But here's the question. Which way is better, the fast and furious Instapot or the classic, slow and soulful skillet? By the end of this video, one method is getting crowned a smothered chicken champion, and it just might change the way you cook this dish forever. So let's get it. Here's what we're working with. Bone-in chicken thighs and legs, seasoned up with that Southern love. Now, you know we gotta have garlic powder, onion powder, paprika, salt, pepper. You guys know the drill. And of course, we gotta have our onions, flour, chicken stock, and butter for that golden gravy. All right, first up, let's talk about the Instapot. The thing right here is all about speed and convenience. Perfect for busy nights when you need comfort food fast. Now check this out, we're gonna start with this. Step one, we're gonna hit saute, drop in some oil, and brown the chicken real quick. Listen to that sound right there. You hear that sizzle? Yes, sir. That's the sound of the flavor getting locked in. Step two, now we add the onions and a little flour, stir it up, and deglaze with, a little chicken stock so there's nothing that sticks and we get that flavor. That's called fond. Step three, lid goes on. We set it for about 12 minutes and we let it finish with a natural release for the juiciest chicken ever. Now check this out, y'all. The Instapot is a set it and forget it dream. Busy weeknights, this might be your new best friend. Now let's talk old school, the skillet method. This one takes a little more time, but the flavor though, if you ask me, it's unmatched. Now step one, we're searing the chicken the same way, but low and slow, letting it get that beautiful golden brown crust. Step two, we saute the onions right in the chicken fat. That's where the magic starts. Step three, sprinkle in a little flour, whisk it, with the butter, deglaze with the stock, and we let the gravy simmer till it's thick, rich, and calling your name. Now this is hands-on cooking, folks. You see it, you smell it, you taste as you go. It's a whole vibe. End of the day, it comes down to what you need, speed or tradition. Me, I love both for different reasons. All right, folks, look, both versions are done. Now right here, we got the Instapot on the left, and I got the skillet on the right. Now, I'm gonna go ahead and just dig right into this and just figure out what's happening. I'll start with the Instapot. As you can see, look, super tender. I don't need to do anything. See how it pulls right there? Man, you gotta love my job. Still juicy, tender, right? So it really, I'm gonna be honest with you. If I'm supposed to eat this the right way, I'm gonna get here and get underneath some of this. Let's get some of this gravy. You know what I mean? We got rice. Look at that right there. I ain't gonna lie to y'all folks. Check it out. Cheers. This right here fire. I love the tenderness. Now hold on. All right, now I'm gonna save what I think about that. We finna go in here and get to this skillet, right? So I'm gonna get in here. It's like the perfect doneness for me, you know what I mean? Come on, wait a minute. Now, I did do that little cut. Let's look at the inside of that. Still juicy, nice and tender. Matter of fact, I might have to go back and regroup. You see that there? Now this right here had a little time with meat, you know what I mean? So when you're cooking in a skillet, it's not just close it and do it, but I'm not finna over talk it. We finna get down, folks. Hey, you know what? I got something for you. Keep looking at that right there. And I know you're gonna say, I'm like a little biased, but check this out. Now we go ahead and hit it. Cheers, y'all. Let's talk about it. Hey, I gotta show you guys this. Listen, I gotta stay true to who I am. Oh yeah, got that great Kool-Aid. Now, I'm gonna say it like this. Both of these is great. I mean, I don't care if I went to a restaurant, you served me this one right here, which is the Instapot version. This is like super good. I'm gonna almost say like the texture of this is almost like, man, I'm gonna say it's like perfect. You know what I mean? It's not mushy. It just happened to be perfect. Now, the one that we did in the skillet, this was like just a little bit more firm, but I like the way that muscle, where that meat, it tightens up, it's nice and firm, it's nowhere near mushy, but I will say it's still juicy. And because we have it in the skillet, we get to keep tasting it as we go. We were able to season this to get it just over the top. Now, coming back to here, the Instapot, because we had to close the lid and put everything in there, you don't get a chance to taste it. So you gotta season it. And if you look at these, this one seems to be a little lighter than the one that I did in the skillet, right? So this could have been brown just a little bit more to give you that look. But both of them, man, I'm gonna tell you, it worked like this. It's number 1 and number 1A. But I gotta say, ding, 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 pay the man. This skillet, this right here, say no more. Hey, so with that being said, listen, let me know down in the comment section below what you guys think. And I do got to say this part. If you're looking for something, like I said it earlier, if you're looking for something during the week or just something quick on the weekend, but you still want to have that comfort food, go with this Instant Pot. All right, now, if you're new to my channel, let me take this time to say thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, smash that subscribe button, and tell everybody out there, there's a channel out here that's simplifying these recipes and taking the mystery out of cooking. Now I can drown my plate with a whole lot of gravy, and I'm about to eat, folks. I'm out. Peace.